Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to show you, or you can say I'm going to provide you a step-by-step procedure on how to create a custom conversion, or basically how to set up a custom conversion in Facebook ads, right? So you might have know about custom audience because I've already shown you in our previous videos that how you can create a custom audience. I have given you a in-depth idea or the in-depth knowledge about custom audience, but in this particular video I'm going to explain you custom conversions. So let's directly get into my Facebook account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my event manager overview. So in order to set up a custom conversion, I have to go to custom conversions option. Right here you can create your own custom conversion. Now let me explain you a bit that what a custom conversion is. Basically, let's say you have multiple products in your website. Let's say you have 5 products in your website. If I open our website, this is our website, right? Now let's say I just want to track this product. This is a shorted coffee, and I want to track this product, that who is purchasing this particular product and how many purchases or how many sales I'm getting from this particular product only, right? So in order to specifically track something, or in order to specifically or customly track something, that is called custom conversions, right? And if I give you one more example, let's say I just want to know that who have add this product into their cart. So I can do that with custom conversion, right? There will be a procedure, there will be an event page, basically not event page, there will be a custom event that if someone is adding this product into their cart, they will be redirect to their cart page, right? So that is known as event, right? And if that event is done properly done, that will be counted as one conversion, right? So this is how custom conversion works. So now let's directly get into my Facebook, and here we are going to set up one custom conversion, right? So for that you just have to click on this create custom conversion, and here you can set the name. Right now I'm setting demo because this is demo custom conversion. Here you can add more description about the conversion if you want, although it is optional, totally optional. I'm giving it demo and demo, right? Now here you have to select your data source, whatever the data source you have to select here. Now here action source, what is the action source? So in our case it is obviously website. Now here you can set your event. So if you have created your event, otherwise you'll be able to see some pre-created events like all URL traffic, right? And you can find out few more pre-created event. In my account I am on able to see only this because I haven't created any event here, right? That's why. So all URL traffic is set here. I've selected this one. Now here we have to set the rule. Basically we haven't created multiple events in this website, that's why we are not able to see other events, right? Let's say you want to create a custom conversion for a product purchase, right? So after a product purchase there will be a thank you page, right? And if that thank you page appears, that means one conversion is happened, because without any conversion that particular page will not be able to see, right? You will not able to see that particular page, or your customer will not be able to see that particular page, right? So before creating your custom conversion, don't forget to create events, right? After that, after creating events, then go into your custom conversion option, right? So I'm in all URL traffic right now. I've selected this because I do have only one, and here you can set your URLs. Basically, let's say if I would go with sales or purchase, then I would save here like this thank you page, right? And if there is a page in my website that contains, if there is a URL or page in my website that contains thank you keyword, that will be tracked and that will be counted as one custom conversion, right? I hope you understood it, right? And after that you just have to click on create and your custom conversion will be created, right? You will see this success demo uh, pixel. Basically your demo custom conversion has been created here. right? So this is how you can create your custom conversion. I hope you understood the process. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you are still confused regarding this thing, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.